Hello, welcome to the Smart Algorithm. Today we will discuss about the set in collection framework. What is the difference between list and set? So let's get started. Before start, please like, share. As you can see here, this is the diagram of collection framework in Java. Topmost class interface is iterable, then collection. Then we have a layer that is list, set, and queue. So first one is set. So we are going to discuss about this one. So as you can see here, set is an interface. After that, we have HashSet, that is a class, that is a child class of set, and sorted set, that is a sub interface of set, sorted set. And we also have navigable set, TreeSet, linked HashSet. We will discuss all these one by one. So first of all, let's check it. What is how set work? We will use the hash set uh, first of all. So let's check it how hash set work. So let me add few elements here. Set dot add null. I can add one null element. I can add because I have taken the integer, so I will add the integer only. So let me add few more like 2300 something. Okay, now let me print my set. We'll check it how it is working. So as you can see here, it is printing, but it is an unordered. So we will see like here. So what is set? It is an unordered collection of object. So we already uh, checked that our output was in unordered. So we can say this is the set. Set is an unordered collection of object. And the next point is that will differentiate from the list. That is duplicate values uh, not allowed here. So we cannot add duplicates here. So let's check it. So I will add 34 again. Let me run the code. So as you can see here, only 134 is there. So it will it will not allow the duplicate here. Got it? Now we are using currently we are using HashSet. So let's check it. What is that? So HashSet doesn't preserve order of element. So we already seen that our output is not in order. It is an instance of hash map and uses hash code to store information. So internally it use the hash map, and we know the hash map work on the hashing concept. So this is what about this point. And now we have checked the hashet. Now let's check the linked hashet. It preserves the order of element. So let's check it. If I use linked hashet here, so now let's check the output. So as you can see here, we our output is in uh, let me check it. 494 33254 494. It is because I have added 0. Yeah. So as you can see here, in which order we have added this same order, we can see here. First we have added null, then we have added this and this. So our output is in order. So list linked hashtag preserve the order. Now the important is tree set. mostly interviewer asked you about the TreeSet, how it works. So let's check it. It stores element in sorted format. Okay, if I use TreeSet here, so it is saying that it maintain the sorting order. So as you can see here, we got the null pointer exception. What is it is saying? It is saying that cast cannot invoke comparable something like. It is because we have added null. So it doesn't allow the null. So I have commented this line. Now let's check it. So it is working. So by default, as you can see here, it is in ascending order. So as you can see here, next point, second point is saying by default is stored in ascending order. So we can print it in descending order as well. For that, I need to do something like I need to first add this set to my array list, and let me add this set here, and I will reverse this. I'll sort my list in descending order. Collections, store, reverse order. So let me print the list now to print the set in reverse order. So let me run this code. Yeah, as you can see here, it is in descending order now. So this is how we can uh, print the set in descending order. Now let's check third point, cannot add null. So we already seen that we cannot add null. So fourth point is object must be comparable. So we are adding here like integer, string, we can add. So these are already comparable because these are wrapper classes. Suppose we need to add our objects. User defines object in our collection. So in that case, how it works? So let's check it out. So let me remove all these things. So I have already created one class, my object. So let me remove first to check it how it is working, how it work for the uh, user object. Okay, so I have my object class. We have ID and name. I have constructor to create the object into string method. So let me check it. If I want to add my object type in set, so I've taken the set. Let me add set dot add new my object. Let me give the ID. Let me give the name. Name is suppose Java, and let me add one more object. I have added three objects. Second is Spring. Third one is Hibernate. Okay, its ID is 1 2. Its ID is 1 3. So let me print my collection. Let's check it how to work. So as you can see here, it is throwing the class cast exception. Why it is throwing? Because our custom object that we have added is not comparable. So we need to add our class as comparable. It is an interface, so I'm going to add it my comparable. So that's why it was not working. So let's check it. What is it is saying? We need to implement the compare to interface and compare to interface so that set can compare the elements what we are adding. So we're going to add this dot id minus o dot id. So let's check it. So it will sort our object by the ID. So as you can see here, we have printed our set. So it is printed first 11 Java, then 12 Spring, third 13. It is printing. It is adding our collection ascending order by the ID. So we can reverse it, like if we want to add our custom object in this reverse order. So we can reverse the condition. So let's check it. Yeah, as you can see here, now our objects are in reverse order. This is how we can add our own object in collection set. So let's check it. So yeah, interview can ask you about the list and set. So what is the difference between list and set? So let's check it. List allowed duplicates, but set don't allow duplicates. We can add multiple null elements in list, but we can add only one null element in set. Third one is list is index sequence. We can fetch the list collection by index, its index, but we cannot fetch the set collection by the index. Elements can be accessed by their position. Yeah, as you can already cover. So we cannot access the elements in set by their position. So that is what about the set collection. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.